want to really welcome you very much at this very important event.
This event is very important because bring together people from a lot of countries devoted to the development of SMEs, and whole event is organized in very participative manner.
The admiration that I have for women. We all need to help women with small finances to start something and to be encouraged.
Great keynote speakers, great introductory session about women in business, so it was very motivating.
It's about small and medium enterprise, which are the backbone of your economy.
Events like today's are really important because they are sharing their experiences. This is a very lively event. Jobs are created by companies. Administration is there to allow them to spread their wings, to develop, to create those jobs.
And SMEs are actually the ones which create jobs, and this assembly is there for them.
I think we can learn a lot from what it works, find new clients, new customers, new suppliers.
Oh, it's a great event.
I think it's very good to get inspired by new ideas, new approaches.
It's very well organized, it's very innovative. Instead of just sitting down and listening, we participated, there was an interaction. It's very important to keep always on the edge, keep always knowing what's happening, what's new, what you can do better.
You have taken up the challenge to participate and you have turned it into opportunity. You have connected ideas, knowledge and experience into something innovative.
It's been really open, very friendly. I talked to a lot of people from lots of different areas. It's a lot of entrepreneurs, but also a lot of people who really want to connect.
The atmosphere is very friendly, open, and I haven't seen that before.
It's much more interactive with the audience. They're doing a very good job in engaging people, engaging audience in the whole event.